Hi friends, today we will be doing the unboxing of iPhone XS Max. So the one of the expensive device in Indian market. Actually, Apple is selling the device in India very expensively comparative if you compare this with the US markets. So this is one of the expensive device in Indian market. You may can easily buy a car at the price of this phone. So we will do the iPhone XS Max today. So I bought the even AirPods with it, which cost around 11,999. So yeah, as you can see, it's a 64 GB version, which has been costed me around 1,09,900 rupees. So before starting the unboxing, let's have a look at the specs. This iPhone XS Max has Apple's custom chip called A12 Bionic, which has been built on a 7 nanometer technology. It's a hexa-core, very power efficient device, and it even has a 4 gigs of RAM. Wow, finally Apple switched to 4 gigs of RAM. So iOS doesn't consume too much RAM. So that it has a display of 6.5 inches. It's an AMOLED screen built by Samsung. It has a very strange aspect ratio of 19:5:9 with 458 ppi. It has a dual SIM plus eSIM. You may can say practically you will be getting one SIM, nano SIM. Then the second SIM will be used as a eSIM. It has a 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel rear cameras, and as usual 7 megapixel camera with 3174 milliamp battery. It supports fast charging, but you have to buy it separately for that. So let's come to the device now and unbox the device. So this device has been bought by my brother, and it has been I have been remove the box and set it up. So let me keep aside this device. It is actually in a gold color. So this color actually looks very good on the iPhone XS Max. I was really surprised to see the device, which is comparatively smaller than the Galaxy Note 9 and even smaller than the Galaxy S8 Plus. So on the back you can see the dual camera setup with LED flash, and on the your left side you can see the mute dongle with volume rockers. On the bottom, as usually, microphone speaker opening with lightning port. So this actually the device looks pretty good. It's have been it has a stainless steel chassis with the glass sandwich design. Apple says it's a breakthrough, sorry, toughest glass on the smartphone. So I've seen the generic video, even it survived the drop test. So this is the wall adapter. This I don't like about Apple's. Basically, it's a 1 lakh phone, and you won't get a fast charger. And they even now we are missing the dongle for 3.5 mm audio jack. So as usual, it's a basic lightning cable. If you want the fast charger, you have to buy it on your own. You have to pay Apple more. So basically Apple is a more money hungry company. It just want to loot the customers. And yeah, this is the device, and let me just unlock the device, get through into the settings, and let's have a look at the storage what we will be getting in out of 64 GB. So you won't be having SD card slot. Out of that you will get around 52.5 GB free, and this price has been this device prices you may can see on your screen now. So that is it. So let's come to the AirPods. Wow, yeah, the usual booklet, and these are the AirPods. It's very tiny, actually it's very small. You may can easily lose this with the lightning port. Actually these are the very good AirPods with the good quality, as usual the same lightning cable. Let me just open through and set up with my iPhone. As you can see, this thing, they are selling Apple very costly on these AirPods. So you don't have to do anything. Once you remove the box cover, it will automatically detect on your phone. You just have to tap connect for once, and then whenever you will open the door, you will it will be connected. So this thing has been priced at 11,999. You can easily get one of the Android device at this price. It's very expensive. So guys, that's it. This device and these things is very luxurious, which cannot be afforded by everyone. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye.